Hi, my name is Marta Fondo, and I'm the coordinator of this Intercultural Exchange project. And I want you to welcome you on to this Intercultural Exchange project. And I really hope you enjoy the experience of learning and collaborating with someone from a different culture, and you make the most of this experience. And for this to happen, I'm here also to help you and guide you briefly on what you have to do in these projects. So the first steps here in these projects. I want you to be sure that you are always going to have support, our help in class, email, whatever you need, because we don't want you to worry about participating in the project. We want you to enjoy your participation in this project, okay? So the first thing you are going to receive is an email with everything you need to participate in this project. An email like this one. It is full of links, tutorials, all the information you need to participate in this project, everything. Well, indeed, the first thing you need to do is to contact your partner and set your first meeting, okay? Find a common time you have for doing your first video conference, and this video conference will be done using Zoom. Zoom is a free online video conferencing tool. Here you have it. You will find tutorials, the links, everything in this email, so don't worry. And you only need to put your email account, create a password, and that's it, okay? Once you have this, you can go for your first session. You are ready to invite your partner or being invited by your partner. How to invite everything, you will have the info, you will find it here in this email, don't you worry. And you need to record the sessions. It's super easy. You will find also a tutorial in this email, okay? Well, to help you out, we have also created a Google Drive folder in which you will find all the info you need as well, okay? This is the folder. You have here the project schedule, you have the shared materials, and you have the folder in which you have to upload the recordings. Well, in the project schedule documents, you will find all the sessions, the dates, the topic, objective, complementary materials for the session if you need it, and then the link to the task. Because the session is going to be supported by tasks to help you and guide the conversation. The task will be one in Spanish, one in English in each session. So you and your partner, have the opportunity to practice your target language, English and Spanish, okay? So you first will be maybe the one practicing, and then you will be the expert helping your partner when they try to practice their Spanish. The tasks are going to look like that, okay? This is not one of the tasks you're going to do, it's just a sample. So, bienvenidos a la práctica oral de hoy. And you have all the info you need, guidance, questions, whatever. And then you move to the English part of the task. And then you change from Spanish into English. Okay? So then it's your turn to practice English. Well, you have all the tasks here. And then at the very end, you have task or session evaluation form. Please fill in it, because it's the way we have to know that you have enjoyed or not the session, the task, everything. So this information for us is super important. Well, once you have filled in the questionnaire, you will find this good job slide. It means that you have finished your first session, second session, third session, okay? And then you upload the recording to your recording folder. If you have any problem, you will find tutorials about everything, or you can also email us, don't you worry, okay? Well, and this first, for instance, the first session is going to be a collage, talking about the typical topics about every culture. So I've also, to help you, created a sample of this collage. So in this project schedule, you see collage sample, okay, in this first session. So if you click here, you will find that I've created a collage, the Vive la France. For instance, if I'm going to do this experience with a French student, for instance, so I'm gathering pictures of typical things about France, what I think France is, and then I would share this document with my partner and talk about the typical topics of this culture. Well, so that's it so far. I hope you find all the info useful, and all the info we have added in this email. And if you need anything, please contact me, and see you soon. Let's keep in contact, and all my best wishes for all of you. Bye bye from Barcelona. Bye.